Hello, my dear guests, subscribers, everyone who is with me. There are already many of us. A huge thank you to everyone who knits with me. Everything is working out for you and it pleases and stimulates me. Now I want a super short video, reviewer. These are napkins. Here are such cool napkins, my dear. I used a 3-piece hook here. Begonia is one begonia, 2 different remnants. There is not a full moto check. Well, on such a napkin one and the second you see here the background is more orange, and here is a lemon. It was from the remnants that I made these 2 cool options. I think these are just super napkins, very cool. My dears, I'm knitting a plaid. The plaid falls down, the pattern is red, here is black and white. It increases, so I can't put a blanket on the table all the time. And now I'm showing you small napkins here from the samples, how they look like a masterclass. Under this video there will be a link, and please, if you're interested in this pattern, here it is. I'm showing a sample here from the beginning of the first loop. Smooth loops. Have a great mood. Galina Prigris is with you.